Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts, try again later on Suno. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Suno app. Here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.